Hello, Hong Kong. Kevin Feige here. I'm so thrilled to announce that Marvel Studios' films and series are coming to you exclusively on Disney Plus starting November 16th. This is, of course, a very big event for us at Marvel Studios. After all, it is one of only 3 cities in the world where a Sanctum Sanctorum can be found. And you're right in one of the MCU's most strategic locations. We'll make sure to use the best of this opportunity to host the very best that Marvel Studios has to offer right here on Disney Plus.
It's going to be the best Christmas ever. So I took the kids to New York to see a show.
Sounds pretty cool to me.
And then people started trying to kill us.
Actually, it's pretty bad when you think about it.
It's the most wonderful time.
Let me guess, you're gonna need another day.
Or 2? No. Things have gotten complicated. Probably should have brought more guys. Oh, good. You did.
It's the most wonderful time. It's the most wonderful time.
We're out of regular arrows.
Oh my God, trick arrows? There are arrows more dangerous than that one?
It's just some Christmas.